Hey everybody, I'm just going to walk you through the home page of the Amazon Fire TV stick. So once you've plugged it in, I've already installed everything for you. So all you need to do is go to your apps or games, which is Kodi or Tranium TV. I use Tranium TV for most of my movies because it's powered through Google Video. But there may be some movies or TV shows that are not on Training TV, and then you can go into Kodi. Either one, they're both amazing. Kodi is known for having any movie, any TV show, any season, you name it, okay? There's no point in really going to Netflix or Hulu or HBO Now apps on the Fire Stick because you're going to have to pay for those. So what I like to do is see actually what shows are playing on them, like Stars, for example. And then I'll just go to Kodi, like, oh, I want to go see Counterpart. It's a pretty cool series on Stars. Well, if you went to the app here on the Fire Stick, you'd have to pay for it. So I go, okay, Counterpart. Then I go to Kodi and I go to the search and I search for Counterpart, and boom, there's every episode. So I use these just as sort of a view of what's out there. And then but I don't bother to download the apps because you have to pay for it. Okay. Also, these are all the apps that already come installed on the Fire Stick. So just letting you know, I didn't put them there. It looks pretty, but they're worthless because you have to pay for them. Netflix. I like this because I know, okay, these are all the new Netflix shows that are out. And then boom, I just go to Terranium. You get the idea. So all these apps here, I mean, you can go to them, but you're going to pay for them. So it's just kind of a nice to see what's out there and so forth. Okay. So that is pretty much it for the Fire Stick. I mean, anything you need is right here. These two, boom, boom, boom. And stay tuned for more walkthroughs and tutorials inside of Kodi and Tranium. Thank you.